I know you're planning on heading way up north to go out on some frozen lakes
going
soon.
to good old Baudette here on Friday. That's where I vacation. Something's wrong
In the
with
middle
us.
of January. I love it. You're
Yeah,
a Minnesotan.
no,
It's
that's right.
fabulous.
Sleep on the ice, catch maybe a walleye or two. I don't know.
Good times.
I know. Yeah, I'm definitely sick in the head, but I love fishing. All right, let's get out of here. So this is going to be an interesting system because it's not like a 10 out of 10 gridlock deal. This is going to be more of a prolonged event with snow showers. So again, this is long lasting. It might last 36 hours. I'm more concerned with Friday night because the winds are getting to 40 miles per hour and then the light snow can blow around. There could be a couple of brief bursts of snow. And again, like I said, that blowing snow is more of the impact in my opinion. Now we'll talk about that Thursday snow that's coming up. It's colder obviously out here. You need some gloves. It's January. We're in the coldest period of the year right now for the next week. And typically, when you talk about Martin Luther King week and weekend, that's where it gets bitterly cold. Temperatures typically start to crash there. 24-hour temperature change, 24 degrees colder right now than it was yesterday at this time. Brainerd, 25 degrees colder. We know it's cold. 2 degrees, 0 in Wilmer when you factor in the wind chill. 4 in Bemidji. Like I said, it can get a lot colder at this time of the year. So clear skies tonight. We'll see a cloud cover increasing, and cloud cover always comes when it warms up. Today, it was clear because it was cold, sinking air. As soon as you turn the wind out of the south, poof, there come the clouds. And that's really going to set the table for moisture and the chance for some snow. So again, it's clear out here right now. Here is the warm front. You can see out towards Bismarck, you got a little bit of flurry activity on this. That is going to be our warm front that starts to move in here. I think this model overdoes it a little tomorrow morning, but just be aware that there could be a couple of flurries, but I think it'll be actually okay for your Thursday morning commute. Now Thursday afternoon and evening, this is where we think we could see a couple bursts here, 5 o'clock. Keep an eye on that evening commute because we do have a chance for a few snow showers at this time. But Thursday night, you'll see a decent lull. Where I don't have a lull is Wisconsin. Thursday night, it's widespread over here because it snows in the cold sector. It's going to actually be fairly mild here in Minnesota, and, well, it's not going to be warm very long because we're going to get smacked with the cold air on Friday. So Friday, watch out for what we call a true snow shower. Notice how a lot of us won't see anything, but then all of a sudden you might get this burst of low visibility and it's snowing all of a sudden. So I don't want you to get caught off guard, but I also want you to understand that it's only a 30% coverage here. It's not widespread, and then we'll see these flurries and blowing snow into Friday. Accumulations, you can see Menominee through Thursday. This area could see an inch, including Brainerd. I got Brainerd, Osceola, Taylor's Falls up towards Hayward, Duluth. You get that first round. Twin Cities a trace. Now through Friday at 11, we're only going about a half an inch, but it just kind of lingers, and then we might actually see a little blowing snow, and I'm saying an inch or so. Watch the temps though into Thursday. 37 Thursday evening, 27, and then it snows where it's cold. As we go into Friday, now here comes that cold air, and yes, that one is even colder than this last cold front here. My bigger concern, like I just said, okay, an inch of snow, not a big deal. But Friday afternoon, Friday evening, you talk about a 40-mile-per-hour wind. This is the light, fluffy snow. That stuff likes to really blow around. So just be aware of that. There's a couple of factors here. 1, the snow shower, low visibility. 2, the blowing snow, which also could be low visibility Friday. Saturday and Sunday, we'll warm back up Sunday. That little pop in warmth to 13. Of course, there's snow. And go figure, the next time you warm up Wednesday, more snow. We'll go on and off with snow every couple of days here in a cold, active period. We'll be back.